at the dark. We got the costumes on. We got Stickman. The board looking good, all lit up. You see it. Lights changed. Everything's changed. Let's trick it out, baby.
Woo! Look, stick figure. Look.
Ready? Is it okay? Ooh, reverse. Little double tap reverse. All right, we got Halloween costume contest put on by Onewheel, and we gotta win this thing. So, right here, boys, let's go. Hey, oh shoot, we go. There we go. Hey.
All right, lift your, come up and walk up and lift your board up, like facing you. So like, here, face it that way. Face it that way. All right, there you go, there you go, there you go. Now walk up, now walk up and kick it. Now walk. Now drag it. That's it.
Yes. Yes! Let's go. You just gotta deal with it. You can't hope it works.
Nice. That look good. That look good. That was it. That was it. Give me some of that, baby.
All right, Onewheel, I just threw everything I had at you. So, give me them doves, Onewheel. Come on now. Woo! What's up, chat? We out here in the truck because it's cold in here and it's hot out there. It's Louisiana in fall and it's burning up. So we're gonna talk through custom shaping. The board I ride is the GT, the original, the regular Onewheel GT. So this is my custom shaping. My braking is at -1 aggressiveness. So the reason why I have it at -1 and not any higher, any lower, is because when you're approaching a curve to jump on it, you don't want to be like too aggressive with the braking. Go up that, you're like, all right, and you go up it. And then you go, I want to go down that, so you go, all right, bet. Oh, it's just like, it's the perfect spot, -1, it's easy. The aggressiveness profile, max that out. Max it out. We're going +5. +5 on flow. On flow, we're on flow. We actually have the, you gotta go to advanced. And the first one, so you're gonna start out when you're slow. So when you're at like 5 miles an hour, it's gonna be less aggressive. But once you climb up to 10, it's gonna be at like maximum. So we're gonna keep it the notch below top. It's like the notch below top right there. Oh, by the way, in trick, my nose is set to 0.1. 0.1 down. -0.1. My dynamic responsiveness is -1 loose. So it's gonna be looser when you're turning, right? Turning, yep. So it's gonna be a little looser when you're turning side to side.
Helps with what? 180s.
Yeah, 180s, shove it, any of that. Yep, 360s. Easy with all that. Turn compensation is at +1 on the roll, and then the yaw is at +1 also. So they're both gonna be at +1. It's just, any higher just feels a little weird. Any lower, it feels weird. So I like it at +1 or 0. 0 is fine too. Jump re-engagement time is at 4. We had it at 5, but 5 is too much because your board just runs away from you. So I have it at 4. It's not too big a difference than regular, but it helps. So we're gonna have that on. Obviously, we're gonna have the single zone on, so you can have that. Boom. All right, chat, thank y'all so much for watching. We had a 2-for-1 today. We had the pond. Oh no!
Oh my God. Come save it!
And we have Onewheel, so everybody's been like, we want more Onewheel. And then when I post Onewheel, they're like, where's the water stuff at? So we had to put it all in one video so y'all aren't like confused, you know, because we're not getting rid of either one of them. We're gonna be doing the pond and freezing cold when it gets there. So stay tuned for that. October 31st, trick or treat is coming up. We might do a video. We don't know yet. It's the 13th. So we'll get there. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Onewheel. Let me know if I won. And peace.